to the sun, burning light. It is hot in the daytime, but freezing at night. Would it be fun to live on Mercury if it's freezing cold at night?
Yeah.
Yeah, you think it would be fun? No. On Venus, the weather is always the same, hot, dry, and windy, with no chance of rain. Can you guess the next planet? Well, here is a clue. It is my home, and home of thing 1 and thing 2. You have been living on it each day since your birth. It is third from the sun. It's our planet. What planet do you think it is?
Earth.
It's Earth.
Oh my God, Dada.
What?
Oh my God, Dada.
Yeah?
When are we gonna have snacks?
In just a few, okay? It spins all the time round and round like a top. It turns once every day, and it will never stop. The question that thing 1 and thing 2, this question had thing 1 and thing 2 in a tizzy. Is Earth always spinning? Why don't we feel dizzy? Why don't we feel dizzy? We don't feel the Earth as it spins on its way, because we are spinning right with it, right now, every day. Next here is Mars. It is the color of rust. We'll sneeze here because it is covered with dust. Travel to Jupiter, and you will find it is bigger than all of the planets combined. Saturn has rings. It's so light. Who would think it could float in the ocean and never sink? A planet can have satellites that surround it. Uranus has lots of these objects around it. These are colors in space. I will show you some to you. Neptune, planet 8, is a beautiful blue. We have seen all the planets. Now here is a trick to remember the names and remember them quick. We have Mallory, Valerie, Emily, Nichols, just saved up 999 nickels. Or you can remember Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. The first letter of each of these words is the same as the last of the first letter in each of the planets you named. Now here is a game you can play with the skies. Connect all the stars you can see with your eyes. It's star dot to dot. Use your imagination, and you will see big pictures we call
I see a horse.
constellations. Yeah, what do we see in these constellations? What do you see?
I see a horse.
There's a horse. What else do we see? Did you see something, bud? Yeah, what do you see in the stars?
A rocket ship.
There's a rocket ship.
And okay, so yellow things and white things.
There are yellow things and white things. Should we keep reading? We're almost done.
Oh, I think I see something.
What do you see?
I think it's a plate.
Yeah?
I see something too. I think it's a Earth because it's all red.
It's all red right there? Yeah, could be. A star in the sky may look small like a dot, but it's really big. But it's a really big glowing ball, and it's hot. And there's one star by far that's our favorite one. We can't live without it. The star is called the sun. From the Earth it looks big. There's one reason why. It's the closest to Earth of the stars in the sky. But be careful and never look right at the sun. Your eyes will get hurt, and that would be no fun. Oh, look at the time. We must go very soon, but first we must take a quick look at the moon. Have you boys and girls ever looked at the moon at night? Yeah? Has it ever been different shapes? Yeah?
I saw it. I told her to look at the moon so I would know if it was Easter or not. Because Mom forgot when it was Easter.
Yeah?
It was taking so long, so my grandma told me to look at
At the moon? Cool.
and then
Okay, we're going to
I
get
saw
back to the story, okay?
a big circle.
Yeah?
And then I was like, oh, in the morning it's gonna be Easter.
Yeah? Okay, we're going to finish the book really fast, okay? Yeah, thank you. Astronauts flew to the moon to explore, hold on, bud, a place no one had ever been before. They walked on the moon and then drove all over in a special moon called a lunar rover. The universe is a mysterious place. We're only just learning what happens in space. So I brought you a present to look in the sky. Just put this telescope up to your eye. Oh dear, I must go fly back to the stars and take thing 1 and thing 2 out to dinner on Mars. But there's lots to discover, and it might be you, who looks up in the sky and finds something new. Okay, so do you boys and girls remember any of the names of the planets that were in this book?
Earth.
What planet?
Jupiter.
There was Jupiter, yes, Reagan.
Earth.
Earth, Max.
Mercury.
Mercury, yeah. But do you remember a planet, Jim? Or what's your question?
Earth.
What one? Earth, yeah, that one's one.
That
What
was
did you
my
have one?
question. Pluto.
Pluto. Pluto actually isn't a planet anymore. It's called a dwarf planet because
Yeah,
of
I knew that.
yeah. It's the size of the planet. It couldn't be classified as a planet anymore. Do you remember any of the other names of the planets?
And now I want to tell you something. One day on the Backyardium, that was like there was like a puppy Mars thing, like where you die on it.
Mm-hmm.
That was pretty cool.
Yeah.
But
Jared, do you remember any more of the names of the planets
the
that we
hot
just?
is hottest planet. Those
Yeah. Okay, so now what we're gonna do, boys and girls, is we are going to go on a. We are all going to go on a trip to the planets. But first, we have to learn the song to go on the trip. So it goes like this. Climb aboard the spaceship. We're going to, and we'll just choose a planet when we go. Hurry up, get ready. We're going to blast off soon. Here comes the hey, boys and girls, if you can hear me, touch your head. If you can hear me, touch your nose. If you can hear me, touch your shoulders. Okay, I'm going to sing the words to the song first, and then we're all going to sing it together, and then we're going to go on a trip to a planet. But we have to learn the words to the song first, okay?
Are we really going to go up there?
No, we'll just stay right here in the preschool. So climb aboard the spaceship. We're going to Mars. Hurry up, get ready. We're going to blast off soon. Here comes the countdown. Let's count down with all of our might. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off. Yeah. Are we doing it ready? Boys and girls want to say it with me? So it goes like this.
It counts slow.
It'll count slow. Yeah, we'll count slower. So let's all stand up really fast. Okay, so we need to climb aboard our spaceship because we are going to Jupiter. We have to hurry and get ready. So we gotta put on our spacesuits, and buckle up and get ready. Here comes the countdown. Let's count down with all of our might. I need all my friends to help me. Ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop! Now we're going to Jupiter. And on Jupiter, there's only one thing that we can do. When we land on Jupiter, boys and girls, we can't walk and we can't skip and we can't run. The only thing we can do on Jupiter is hop. So we're all gonna hop around the circle around Jupiter. So